Hey, what's up guys? An awesome standalone item that you can just throw in your backpack when you're out hiking is the Hiker Med Pack. I'm gonna show you exactly what's in here. So, as you can tell, it's an awesome little med pack for everything that you might run into while you're hiking. So you've got paracord, sting relief wipes, medication mods, so think of things like ibuprofen, allergy meds, aspirin, that kind of thing. Blister and chafing med pack. You get a hydration mod, so water purification tabs, a little powder to make your water taste good. Space blanket, all kinds of shapes and sizes of bandages. And these are the Super Skin bandages, so they have a 4-way stretch to them. They're really nice bandages. Some bug repellent, the sun exposure med pack, so sunscreen, lip balm, things like that. And then, of course, a safety whistle as well, which comes with a key ring, so you can just hook that onto your pack or onto your vest, whatever it may be. So again, awesome little med pack. I love this thing. It's super handy. I carry one, and I highly recommend you do too. All right, guys, stay safe out there. We'll see you on the trail.